Hi there. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add an unlimited number of records or images. We're going to take a home inspections sample here. We're going to add the new inspection and on what day it was, and we're going to create the inspection. It will ask us if we have any images. We can state yes, and we can add in our images and add a description. We can add the image. It will then prompt us again to ask if we have any additional images. And you can continue to hit yes until you don't have any more images. And it's so forth and so forth. So again, you can just continue this roundabout way of adding in as many images as you need. Once you get to this spot, if you have no further images, you can hit no. And in this case, it will go ahead and populate for me. This is our inspection, 123 Jones Street. It happened a minute ago. I am the testing Adalo user that submitted this inspection, and these are my images that I have submitted. If I needed to add an additional image, I could simply click here and I could upload yet another image onto this file. And I have no more images to add, so it will now have those 4 images. And again, you could add an unlimited number of images. This same type of feature would work for adding number of children and having each child be able to be listed. Or if you have multiple pets or any kind of multiple that you don't want to require your user to give you an exact amount in a form, you can set it up this way. So let's see what it looks like in the editor. When in the editor, you're going to ensure that you start with your database. So for this situation, we have the inspections. This is listing the inspection that we created on this form here. So we went to add inspection and we created an inspection, and this is the name of it and the date of the inspection. In order to have the going through images, we create a separate collection of images. So we don't put the images in the actual inspection. We're creating a separate collection of it, and then we're creating a relationship between the images and the inspection itself. So you'll see here we created a relationship between the images and the inspection, and I've titled that inspection images. This way, you can add an unlimited number of images and they will be tied to that inspection. So you see here, we could have 4, we could have 8, we could have 12. You'll never know how many you need in this specific situation of a home inspection, but it will always be tied to whichever inspection that is. Then we're able to display that information in the list here based on images, current inspections images. So as the user selected a specific inspection, they could then go directly into that.